Hello everyone, welcome to flowindata channel. And previously we have completed the decision making statements, and today let's learn something about repeating a task, that is looping. Okay, so if someone asked you to write numbers from 1 to 100, or if someone asked you to write your name thousands of times, one of the solution can be writing print statement 100 times, which sounds disaster, isn't it? So Python provides us with an efficient way to do the same things using loops. So loops allows us to execute a statement multiple times, and there are two types of loops in our Python, that is for loop and while loop. So let's learn for loop today. Okay, so let's clean this up now, and now let me write the for loop, then I will make you understand what's going on over there. Okay, so for num in range and then bracket, and here I'm going to write 1 comma 101. Fine, and now enter print num. Okay, so let me tell you what is happening here in this for loop. So this is our for loop. Okay, so here num is our variable, which refers to a counter variable. Okay, this is our counter variable num. This variable will update every time the loop is executed. Fine, and here we have range, and this range is a function in Python, and range takes a starting value. Here is our starting value and ending value. Fine, so it generates a list of numbers between this range, between this number, starting point and ending point. Okay, so in our case we have 1 and 101, so it will start from 1 to 101. But in this case, when you give the starting and ending values, then what it does, the function does, is it will include this number, but it will exclude the ending thing. That means when you write this thing, now your output will be from 1 to 100. It will not include this 101. Okay, it will exclude this 101. Let's run the program first, and then let's see here the output. Oh sorry, I forgot the colon, so let's write colon here. Let's run the thing now. Let's see here, you can see, okay, it starts from 1. You can see here it starts from 1 up to 100. Okay, so you can see 1 is include, and now 101 is excluded. Okay, this is our range function. It works like this if you give the starting and ending value. Now if you give the only single value over here, like 100, so if you give only the single value, then the starting value will be 0. Fine, so let's go ahead and let's run and see the result, then you will understand. So now you can see the starting is 0 and it goes up to 99. Fine, so if you give only one value, not the starting value and the ending value, then it will start from 0, and you can write 0 comma 100, then it will also give the same result as this one. Fine, so now a third parameter can also be passed to the range function, which represents the step. So if you give 0, it will start from 0 to 10, and then I will give 2 over here. Then this is starting value, this is ending value, and this will be the step. How many steps? A step is a number by which the index will change every time the loop executes. Okay, so by default the step is 1, so here I gave 2. Now let's see the result. So if you see the result over here, you can see 0, then 2, 4, 6, 8. Okay, so 10 will be excluded, you know this thing, and it will start from 0, and then 2 steps 2. After 2 steps it is 4, after 2 steps it is 6, and after 2 steps it is 8, and till when it comes to 10 it will stop. Okay, so this is our for loop. Fine, so I hope you understand this for loop, And in the next video, we are going to learn about the next loop, that is while loop. Okay, see you in the next video. Thank you very much.